Is your blower motor not turning on? My name is Michael Starratt. I'm with United HVAC Motors. In this video, we're going to troubleshoot both the high voltage and low voltage connections on an X13 blower motor. We're going to go ahead and diagnose this X13 motor for both high voltage and low voltage. It has to do with these harnesses down here. The first thing that we want to do is take a picture of our harness configuration so that we may use it later. The next thing we're going to do is go to our main breaker panel and turn the power off. Once we have the power off, go ahead and remove these, put them somewhere safe, and then go ahead and turn the power back onto your system so that we can diagnose it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your thermostat and make sure it's calling for cool air. I verified this. The next thing we'll do is go to our two harnesses that we have, and we will test them for both high voltage and low voltage. On one of the harnesses, you'll see that it says C, L, G, and N on it. We're going to use our tester and voltage AC and test between the L and the N. I'm getting 236 volts. This is a 220 volt system, so this is correct. You may have a 110 volt system, and you'll see something between 110 to 120 in that situation. If you do not see voltage here, you need to troubleshoot your system and find out why it is not receiving power. The next thing we're going to do is test for low voltage communication. We're going to use the same harness that says CLGN on it, and we're going to put one probe in the C. We will grab the other harness, and we will test between all of these terminals and find out which one is energized. We're looking for between 21 to 28 volts AC. Here's 27 volts. We verified this has low voltage. If you do not see low voltage on this, find our other video about diagnosing low voltage communication issues. In this video, we verified that we have both high voltage and low voltage. In this case, the blower motor must be replaced. In this video, we diagnosed both high voltage and low voltage communication issues to an X13 blower motor. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up.